Greetings, this is Jay with AI Johns, where we decode artificial intelligence and how it's quietly shaping your life, your hustle, and your future. Today, we're breaking down a game changer, ChatGPT Tasks. Your to-do list, it's not just long, it's disrespectful. Every week, new app claims it'll make you more productive. But if that were true, why do we all still feel like we're drowning? That's where ChatGPT Tasks steps in. It's not just another AI feature, it's a digital assistant that gets it because it understands you. It doesn't just take orders, it understands context, tone, goals, even nuance. This means you can say something like, set up a team meeting next week with Mike, Angela, and Steph. Or write a follow up email that sounds professional but friendly and a little urgent. And guess what? It delivers. You're not just giving it a command, you're having a conversation with a brain that learns. Even generate ideas for your next product launch. This isn't automation for the sake of it. This is AI that understands your workflow. Picture this, a marketing team using ChatGPT tasks to draft captions, schedule content, and even analyze performance trends without bouncing between 4 different apps. This isn't science fiction. This is happening now. The real magic is what you get back: time, energy, and focus. But let's flip the coin. Not everyone's in the loop on this tech. So it's not just about flexing how smart the AI is, it's about using it responsibly, strategically, inclusively. The question shouldn't be, can I automate everything? The better question is, what can I free myself from so I can show up for what really matters? Because the best use of AI, it is not to replace your humanity, it's to amplify it. There's a free tier, no excuses. Head over to aijohns.com. Links in the description. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.